Hello, we will see the solution of 2.13 part A, in which they ask for proving the value of ft, that is gm over 2 pi to c total. C total is cgs plus cgd. So first of all, before going into solution, let's see what is the significance of ft. Let's say you have some black box. The current in and current out is the interested quantity, and we have some gain. Generally current gain is stated as a beta. Okay, so beta is I out upon I in, and this is the frequency of I in versus I out, or maybe you can take some gain quantity also there. Okay, let's say this is your graph. So this is your ft at the frequency at where your current gain is unity. Fine. So what that means, beyond that frequency, not those, your amplifier will be no longer amplifier. Yeah, you will not able to get any gain out of it after, because it is attenuation as such. So we can go for designing of our RF amplifier, or let's say high frequency amplifier, at somewhere here, not here. Here also it will not recommended to design. I mean, don't go this graph wise, like I have to design in this area only. This is not true. I'm just intuitively telling that okay, this is the space, this is the the limit of frequency at where we can make the amplifier out of this black box. Or let's say this black box is amplifier itself, then the range of frequency will be like here only. This will be as such the lower frequency. We might not interested in these frequencies, but this can be our interested frequency here. After some frequencies, this will be a very lower gain for us. We will not able to get more gain out of this black box in this frequency as such. But after this point, definitely we will not going to use this black box for amplification. All right. Now, so why I told this, to get idea why we need to do this kind of exercise. Okay, so ft, they give the definition that small signal current gain is unity. Those frequency we need to find, and important thing is source and drain are AC grounded. Fine. So this is the model of this circuit. Let me draw it very nearby. Okay, this is gate terminal. Current in is coming here, and this is I out. Okay, see, this is source terminal, this is gate terminal, this is drain terminal. I mistakenly take the direction outside. Please go for the current coming into the MOSFET, so we can avoid the minus and plus current confusion. All right, so now very easy step. What is the voltage here? That is VGS, that is C. This is source, this is sorry, ground. Source, obviously it is grounded. This is capacitance in between. This is also grounded, as told, as given here. This is capacitance. Both capacitance are coming in parallel, so C total will be CGS plus CDS, and VGS is 1 over C IDT by this equation. This is equation of capacitance current and voltage of capacitance. C over dV by dt, and V is equal to 1 over C IDT. All right, this integration will come up with the 1s here. So VGS is I in upon CGS plus CGD into S. This is just representation of integration in the Laplace form. Okay, I out is GM over VGS. Why? Because this is the, I should not draw the round. This is some controlled current source, so the actual representation should be like this. Okay. All right. So GM VGS, GM into VGS, that is I in upon C total into S. GM upon CGS CGD into S will be the current gain. That has to be unity 1 GM upon C total into S, and S can be written as 2 pi F. Finally, F will be GM upon C total into 2 pi. 2 pi. This is what they given to prove it. Okay. Why RO is not considered? That is lambda and gamma effect both are not considered. If you, even though if you will consider, you will finally come up with this this value of ft. Okay, so any given NMOS, you will not able to get the gain, current gain after ft frequency. And thumb rule is, while in designing, you should 6 to 10 time. This is my thumb rule. It can be vary by designer to designer. It can be lower than 6 to 10 time, lower by 6 to 10 time of ft. The interested frequency of our let's say I am designing the LNA at 2 gigahertz. Okay, so the ft of this inside and FETs should be more than 20 giga, or if 6 is considered, 12, more than 12 to 20, and that is possible in the latest PDK, latest CMOS PDK product design kit. Those number are very achievable. That is practical number what I meant. All right, so this is part A of 2.13. We will see part B after this. Thanks.